Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very special to show you, and that is my digital kit and a journal I made using said digital kit. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. I will show you first the kit that I made, and it will be available for sale in my Etsy shop as soon as this video is uploaded. And it is I suppose a springtime, summertime type digital kit. And I say kit, but I just have like background pages and the main pages, 10 of them, and 10 background pages. And it is of very cute woodland creatures. You know how I love the woodlands and how I love nature. So that's what my first kit is based on. So, and flowers, of course, and butterflies here and there. So this one here is of a very cute deer, and she's sleeping. And yeah, this is it. I put lots of elements and stuff like that on the page that you can see here. And this is the first page. Well, I'm not doing them in order. This will not be the first page when you download the kit, but yeah, first page on this video, in this video. And then this is the background page. Very simple. I love the colors that came to life here on these pages. And this is a hedgehog here wearing a very cute bow tie. And of course there are flowers and different elements on the page, hearts, etc., which I also love to draw and doodle. And this is the background page for this one. I hope you can see everything clearly. And of course there are butterflies are not missing in this one either. That's a cool beigey color. Then you have this very cute penguin. And more flowers. She's got a bow in her hair. She's enjoying life while holding her rose. And then at the back, this is what's at the back. And then we have this one. Cute little rabbit with a lovely flower head dress. And she's carrying daisies. We've got flowers on the other side. And it's in the color red or crimson. And this is the back. And then we have, oh, I think this is my favorite page. I love the color as well. Love purple. And because the owl is so cute. And I say this is also a she. She looks very cute. Look at her. So cute. And another bunch of flowers here. And lots of elements on the page. And this is the back. Butterflies, of course. And of course, you don't have to print the purple page with the purple background. You can always mismatch them, no problem. I just did this to be able to just show you very clearly. And here is Mr. Elephant here with his top hat. More flowers. This time in the color yellow, orange, peach. And that's the back. I do love butterflies, as you know, and I do love how these turned out. I surprised myself, people. I surprised myself. This is a new skill that I've learned, and I'm very happy that I did. And yeah, I want to share it, of course. And here we are. This is a cute bear in the color blue. Butterflies, of course. And this is the last one. Actually, that one was red. This is crimson, sorry. Yeah, that was red. This cute little raccoon smiling at you here. And there's a bunch of flowers. on the side of her, and butterflies at the back. And the reason why all the animals are on this side of the page is because when you fold it, you want this to be what's you see when you folded the paper in half. So that's why you find the animal is on the right side. And this is a cute little fox. And this is what you do when you're enjoying the sun. When the sun is just the right temperature, just the right brightness, and you go out there and you just shut your eyes with your face turned towards the sun. That's what I thought when I saw this picture, this image. Just a fun fact. And this is the back. I love the color as well. And cute. Very, very cute. Butterflies settled on her head. Pink flowers with hearts and butterflies. I know you guys know that I love grunge, but I also love this as well. Pastel-y, cool, calm, cute. I always love cute. And I love children, I love babies. They're so cute. And baby animals. So that's the kit. And now I will show you the journal that I made using this kit. So here we have it. This is a A6 size. It has 5 signatures with an open spine, lots and lots and lots of lace all over the place. That's the top, the side, the back. This is actually also a pocket here. You can slip in something in here. I love the fabric, I love the lace, I love everything. And I just put it all together here. And we have these 2 crocheted flowers here that I sewed on. There's a pocket here as well. And where I filled it in is a little bit of stuff. It's just a piece of paper, recycled paper. This beautiful tag with all the lace trimmings on the side here, as you can see. Very easy to make these tags as well. And just some old ledger paper that found a place in the pocket. And this is the front. I love this fabric again, as I said. And I just ran this lace all along the edge, the inside edge of the journal to give it a very cozy, how should I say, chunky, huggable look with all the lace and stuff. Let's put this back in here and this here. So that's the front. Oh, like that. This is the front. Then we open it and we have this side lace pocket here, as you can see, with just a simple little page from a book. The other half is actually in the journal, and some scraps. So that goes here. And again, you see the raccoon. This is of course printed in A5 size. This is A4 size, or nearly to US letter size. And this is, let me quickly do a flip through, because also when I put these up in the Etsy shop, since I don't take the best photos in the world, I like to do a flip through so people can see exactly what they are thinking of buying. Old paper here, old letter. It's in French, I think. I don't even know what it says. And here we have the penguin. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. Actually, I was really getting excited. I couldn't wait any longer to show you. I said, I wonder what people are gonna think about this. But yeah, we have to branch out. I want to branch out. I want to expand what I do here on this channel and in my business, because I want it to be my main business as well now. And yes, I need to push. I need to sell more, sell myself more, sell more journals, sell my ideas more as well. And I hope you guys are gonna receive that well. And I do have amazing supporters already. I thank you, ladies, immensely from the bottom of my heart. And I also, I'm always stuck, or I have been stuck, thinking whether I should just stick to grungy journals and just journal making, or should I, whether I want to go with this pretty lace, pinky, purpley look, or do I just do digitals, or but you know what? In the end, I settled with myself and I said I'm gonna do it all, because I am the type of person whose mind is always racing with ideas and stuff that I want to do on this or on that. Sometimes it's a positive, sometimes it's a negative, but yeah, I'm gonna do it all, and I hope that the people who like the grungy journals will stick around for these types of journals too, even though there's a bit of grunge in here, but will stick with me for the grungy, and the ones who love pastel-y, simple, clean journals and watercoloring and that kind of thing will also stick around, even though they see some grungy stuff on my channel sometimes, if you know what I mean. Like, for example, I showed in my previous video that this is also something that I want to do. I want to make books like this because I learned how to do this, and I want to make more. And obviously I don't want to make more and just have them sit at home here. I might as well get some money out of it too, because it's not cheap to make these sort of things. I want to make these. They're going to be available in my shop, and also these watercolor books as well for people to buy and venture into watercolor painting, no matter how good, or I won't say bad, because nobody is bad. No art is bad. Art is subjective. And some people might like this, some people might like that, but yeah. Anyway, so let me show you the rest of this journal. Just full of pages, book pages, copy dyed paper, the digital kit. And yeah, you can use this kit for, of course, personal use, and you can use it for commercial use, as in you print it out and make journals with it. In fact, I would be so interested to see what you ladies and guys come up with when you are going to play around with this kit, and because this is just one way of making it, or using it rather, and I'm sure there are plenty of other ways to do it as well. And yeah, so that was just a little bit about what I want to do. I just want to do those few things that I showed you, and I hope, because I know some people, they really focus and specialize in one kind of type of journal, or one kind of theme, or one kind of art, or right, but I just want to do so many other things. And some people who visit my channel might come and get confused, because today they see I'm showing them my watercolors, then the next day they come and see a grungy journal, then the next day they come and see this kind of pretty lacy journal, and they're like, what is this woman doing? Like, why can't she stick to one thing? I can't. I get bored. So I just want to do different things. And I hope that my channel grows, and I hope that you understand this type of way of doing things, and that you don't mind. And I hope you continue following me. And I want to also say thank you so much for the new subscribers. I got a few new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you very, 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 very much to my old subscribers, and for supporting this channel all this time. Please like, please share. As I said, I want to make this my main business, my main source of income. The digitals, the journals, the books, everything. I want to do that. And of course, that's only possible with your support. And hopefully you like my ideas, even though I presented them all in a rambly way. And I also would like to hear from you guys in the comments about what you think about my my restless wandering mind about I want to do this and this and this, and yeah, give me suggestions. I'm very eager to hear from you and very interested and curious. So thank you so much for watching this. And if you would like and you're interested, you can go into my Etsy shop and get this kit for yourself. I hope you enjoy it. How we make lovely things. You can make many different things, not just a journal. And just use them, enjoy them as much as I enjoyed creating these digitals and this cute little journal, which I will also be selling. It'll be in my Etsy shop ASAP. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.